Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a useful setting in the Vivaldi browser on your Android phone that lets you close the app quickly by double-tapping the system back button. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap the Vivaldi icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll through the menu and select Settings. After that, choose the General option to access the main browser preferences. Once you are in the General Settings section, scroll until you find the option labeled Double Tap Back Button to close app. Next, tap the toggle next to Double Tap Back Button to close app to switch it on. This will enable the feature so that when you press the back button twice quickly while on the Start page, the browser will close. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.